Texas, man, they love they lean, bro. They
You want the car, okay, I bought it. You want some time to spend with me, but if I can't afford it, you finna bounce. I had you rolling with about the pound like I didn't know you a fuck for an ounce. I'm getting head riding through the hood, and them niggas sightsee around town.
Hey, DeeBaby.
Blue flag, Glock 40, 30 man, 30 racks, each pack, big boss belt, buckle unattached, Tom Ford, press against a cat, yellow tape, black flag hat, I'm the one who made it out.
Hey man, no lie, man, this shit's straight fire though, bro.
Son, where'd you find this?
This is a certified banger right here, bro. For sure, we gonna be bumping this shit, man. My boy DeeBaby, man. Hey man, I could see his like, I could see the young boy influence in his lyrics though, bro.